The Democratic Republic of Congo welcomes travelers visiting their family and friends. This overview explains the Family Visit e-visa and the steps involved in securing it. This visa is intended for short-term stays with relatives or acquaintances residing legally in DR Congo. It is strictly for personal visits and does not permit employment of any kind. Applicants must have a valid invitation from their host, provide proof of their relationship, and demonstrate sufficient financial support for the duration of the stay. Key documents include a passport valid for at least 6 months, passport photographs, identity or residence documents, financial evidence such as bank statements or sponsorship, and accommodation or itinerary details. For minors, a birth certificate and parental authorization are required. The application is completed online. Applicants must enter their details accurately, upload the required documents, select their preferred processing time, and complete the payment. All updates, including visa approval, are delivered by email. Normal processing takes approximately 11 to 13 working days. Rush processing requires 8 to 11 days, and Super Rush service is available in 5 to 8 working days. Extensions may be requested at least 15 days before visa expiry. Cancellations are permitted before processing begins. However, refunds are unlikely once the review is in progress. This concludes the corporate overview of the DR Congo Family Visit e-visa. With the correct documentation and timely submission, you can complete your application smoothly and focus on your upcoming visit.